So welcome everyone to my channel, and today I am going to show you how you can install Adobe Photoshop 7.0 in your Chrome or desktop. So we will open Chrome and search for Adobe Photoshop 7.0 download. After that we will search for the link. So here are many results, but we don't need to install it. Don't install from here. Don't touch any link without knowing it. Know, know what is necessary for your desktop, what is not. So I will provide the link to in the text description box. So now open Edge. After that search Adobe Photoshop 7.0 download. You can check this link and after that open it. It will take time. I will provide the link in the description box. Now scroll down. Now ISO image. Simply download it. You can check that it is going to be installed in 1 hour. It is showing, but it will not take if the network speed is too much. So let it install. Wait for some times. So you can check that it is installed. Wait to ready to use. Wait for some times. So too much time is not left. It is about to be done. So it is done. Now we will simply open file. So here you can install it. So in next video I will show the installation. Like and subscribe my channel Study Idea.